much Bergana. Uy, so guys, only this one. Nawala ko makasi, ah? Tayo mo din? So, get this one. I have big nose. Okay. I'm excited kanina. Oh! Beautiful man, look at this. Yeah, it's my eyes. Oh, down here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cute. So, we have two. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, first, I'm gonna do this. What's the bird? So, I look at the bird here. So, guys, I'm three. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Four. One, two, three. Why is it three? Ay, harus meron po na pala yung na. Hindi ko na nagigigos. Ay, bakit? So, we're gonna, she's gonna pee first. So, this is a magnet. Taki magnet. Ano siya? May batang ayaw. Ay, meron. Ano? Ay, tali. So, guys, I have some leader. So, guys, it's capybaras. So, my favorite is capybara guys. So, balat ko. Oh, guys. I am scared. Oh, no, this is not working. It's not pulling. So, guys. My nose is so big. So, guys, I'm here. Here's my adding. Adding na kami, guys. Adding na kami. Ate kami Frances, Ken Angel, Ken Trevor, Ken Travis. Adding kami, Travis. Adding kami. Ate kami ni Travis. Di ba? Diba? Di ba? So, ate kami. Budo na kami sa mga kagat. Kaya, sabi na. Eh, kaya, no, mapelgis mo. Maturo, eh. Paguro ka na malog. So, guys, I'm here. Okay, how to own. Oh, my God. So cute! O, di ba sa tapos awan mo? Ako ayun, sabihin na I'm gonna go geeks. Same, we are neighbors tayo. I'm gonna go change my clothes. Hindi! Ay, sabay, pero na! Di ko na nakita yung bro. Ganda yung ito guys. Kasi, bakit basta best na ayaw? Mag-direct na ayaw. I change. So, I'm gonna go. Hello, my neighbor. I'm gonna go to the park. You want to come with me? I have swimming pool. I mean, I have a pool. My house. My. Nakita ko yung mga Jay Robinson cat. Mantes. I'm gonna put the manket things. I'm gonna put her. Where should I put her? Wow, this is gonna put the clothes. Ay, saan doon pa may pasok ko. Abo! Naibig na. I'm gonna put the clothes there. What? Clothes. Secret! Pa! Fishman, bakatatay, dim, aldaw. So, here. Can I buy? Oo, this one. Wow. Ay, ganun po. Ay. I'm gonna baby ako. I will. Ay, may nagay sa one. Ano ba yung sa one? Ano na mastik? Di na, toy para me. That is mastik net. How? Thank. Ay, ba? Try to be gentle. Gen. So guys, this is my favorite pencil. I'm eyeing. Okay, so she's not. I love this cinema. No. Alam ko na bakit no. It's so cute. Wow, you're so cute. You're gonna fun. I'm gonna come to. I will drink. I have a microwave. Mama, the microwave. Look. Here is her drink. I will put her drink here. There I put this. I got top. 10 soft, 6, 7. Here's my 6,